Hey, good Saturday morning, Mark's Crypto Corner News. It is 10:29, might as well say 10:30 a.m. It's a little late for today, but my newsfeed wasn't working earlier, so I refreshed it. It's finally come back. So here we are with Mr. Anonymous Face. Court gives Craig Wright more time to await the mysterious bonded courier. That is a mystery because I'm not really sure of it either. 10 days after the Tulip Trust expired, new court filings have appeared in the billion-dollar Kleiman versus Wright lawsuit. One document describes the professed existence of a Tulip Trust 3, which was shown to the plaintiffs on January 6, 2020. Another filing shows that Judge Beth Bloom has affirmed part of the sanctions against Craig Wright. That guy's going through his own personal hell, probably of his own making, and it's pretty convoluted. I don't really understand all the details of that story, but that's that. I don't want to clutter my brain with his problems. Okay, so what have we got here? Are USB ASIC miner devices still profitable in 2020? Well, it's up to the miner to decide that, I suppose. Today we'll be looking into how a USB ASIC miner work and if it is still profitable for mining in 2020. Somehow this sentence runs on a bit funny. The origin of the USB ASIC miner, while at first Bitcoin could only be mined with CPU power. In 2013, a new type of mining hardware emerged as ASIC miner, the ASIC miner, application-specific integrated computer, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so that was introduced in 2013, and now being 2020, is there something new? If you're into mining, you might already know that. I don't do anything to do with mining. Doesn't seem too profitable with the amount of hardware and work you got to get into. There is some cloud mining and some other things, but I'll investigate that a little later maybe. So what's next? That looks lovely. No, Bitcoin and gold prices are not correlated. In other words, no, Bitcoin and gold prices are not correlated, says research team. Bitcoin is often called digital gold, which led many to assume that the two assets are correlated in some way, but recent research has debunked such stories. Whenever someone starts researching the cryptocurrency space at all, it does not take long before they run into the phrase digital gold. The gold reserves, they don't back our money, fiat money anymore, so that's it. Paper money is whatever the government says it's worth. Okay, so what's next? Isn't that colorful? EU countries commence crypto regulations as mandated by new directive. Yes, everybody's got to sort out their governance and policy regarding cryptocurrency. It's still in the works. Some countries don't like it, like India seems to have a problem with it, or certain people. The European Union's fifth anti-money laundering directive mandates that member states start regulating crypto assets by January 10th. That would have been yesterday. Crypto exchanges and custodial wallet providers are now covered by the same regulatory requirements as banks and other financial institutions. Also read some other things down here. Yeah, people are really trying to sort things out. But meanwhile, you can do some nice trading stuff. I can direct you to my email. Okay, so is Bitcoin legal or illegal in Ghana? In Ghana, I think it's legal. Bitcoin has become a significant issue of contention among regulators, which has led to further confusion among the general public. The question as to whether or not Bitcoin is legal or illegal in your jurisdiction must have certainly crossed your mind. Well, I know where I'm sitting in Canada, it's perfectly fine. In this article, we'll explore Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regulation in Ghana. Well, that's a lovely set of handcuffs. I've only ever seen them in silver. The black ones look nice. What's this? Green light, go. Bitcoin's first major buy signal since March 2019 is here. Yeah, it's gone up. We're sitting around the 8,000 range. Look at that. See, I was right. Bullish sentiment is already flowing back into Bitcoin markets. So far in 2020, BTC has made 13% gains and more is yet to come. Well, that's good. As a major buy signal flashes green, Bitcoin reclaims $8,000 from an intraday low of 7,700 on this day, January 11th. BTC has climbed an impressive 7% to top out at 82.50 during Asian trading today, and Bitcoin Cash is up too, which is kind of nice. We'll grab some of that. And that was all free, just from doing some stuff, watching some videos and stuff. You can get free cryptocurrency and direct it wherever you like. And what's going on here? Bitcoin and crypto markets crank 14 billion. What's next? Bitcoin and crypto assets are making a remarkable recovery today, and markets are up almost 14 billion market cap under 24 hours. Like Bitcoin leading crypto markets a few hours ago, BTC started to move again, lifting off from its intraday low at support of around. See, we already read this kind of article in the previous thing. Okay, so yeah, it's gone up. We know. I might have to change my news feed a little bit or tweak it. I think I have to tweak it a little bit. What's next? Why JP Morgan sees CME Bitcoin options as highly anticipated. U.S. banking giant JP Morgan believes Bitcoin traders are anxiously awaiting for Monday's CME BTC options debut. Highly anticipated Bitcoin options, when Bakkt announced its Bitcoin futures contracts last year, they were widely seen as highly anticipated in the build-up to launch day in September. What actually happened was another bearish day on the crypto markets, and yeah, I'm not going to continue, obviously. But this is just a condensed version of the news. No, this guy looks shady. Slim. Hacker group Lazarus used fake exchanges, Telegram groups, in latest malware attacks. Yes. Don't go to like Telegram. There's Facebook pages all over the place with every desperate person trying to scam you or lure you in, and then go to an private secret Telegram pages, and my boss is trustworthy and all kinds of things they tell you. It's insane. It's never ending evil. So don't get led down a rabbit hole by going to these Facebook groups, because they'll tell you to go to Telegram and set you up for something that you're not going to be pleased about. So a new report shows that North Korea-linked Lazarus Group has adapted and evolved new techniques since initial attacks and are using phony trading platforms linking to Telegram channels which distribute malware, as well as making their malware more stealthy by adding an authentication mechanism to the Mac OS, amongst other tactics. That's what they're doing. So don't go down the Telegram route. You know, you can go to these pages and these groups on Facebook, but watch who you're talking to. You know, don't hook up with anybody there. I just give good advice. I don't really do anything else. I don't want to lead people on. Even if I tell them no thank you, they send me link and say, please join here now. Like, and some people post, help me invest $1,000 right away. I think that's just a scam to get you going in. They're playing you. Okay, so don't go into Telegram groups or stray from your original social media and follow somebody. Okay, keep it above board. Telegram is useful in certain things, but it's being overrun by hackers and scammers. So just think about that. What's next? 5 top crypto Twitter traders are bullish on Bitcoin right now. Say that 5 times fast backwards. That's that's a tongue twister. 5 top crypto Twitter traders are bullish on Bitcoin right now. I'm not going to do it 5 times because that would be annoying. Okay, as Bitcoin enters another bull and bear fight, ranging between 7,800 and 8,000, crypto Twitter traders are warming up to a bullish attitude. Hey, I'm a bit bullish today. I've got an attitude. Leading Twitter accounts see potential for Bitcoin earnings on bullish moves. Leading social media names, influencers, as it were, have returned with a bullish attitude to Bitcoin price moves. These sentence writing people are really how to figure out how to write sentences better. Seriously. Okay, so Bitcoin's battling it out. I know Bitcoin Cash is going up, and that's it. So one moment. So that's the news for Saturday, Mark's Crypto Corner News, and I'm about to update some things going on here. There's some nice strategies, of course, like I always said. I'm going to add something that you're going to like. You're going to get there's some nice free training I can get you hooked up with and show you how to make some nice little micro profits on whatever coins you might like. So put your name in there and hit the like button here, and we'll see you soon. Happy Saturday, and I will post news updates throughout the week, and we'll do this all again next Saturday. Cheers.